Men just want peace. And first thing I tell men is that peace is not the absence of chaos, adversity, or trials or tests. It's being in the midst of those things and still remaining calm at heart. However, when we want peace like the scenery or relaxing, when our wives come to ask us to do things and we're taking a nap, again, if your mindset is performance-based and your worth is only in what you do, you're going to get up, even though you're tired.
I heard you say that as your story, that your wife would come and you jump off the sofa.
And I thought I was the only one. I thought actually it was a black thing, like it was only black men that would jump up when their wives would come on when they're taking a nap, get up to prove that, no, I'm not resting, I can keep working. It's universal.
So as a woman, because I really want to make sure that I hear it and I let it land on me so that I can show up differently. So how can we support men in that scenario? Because that sounds horrific. Like you're trying to take a nap because you're exhausted and yet you've got the anxiety of, oh my God, if my wife walks in, she's gonna think I'm lazy or that I'm not showing up as the leader. That's hard, that's bad, that's horrible. So as a woman, what can I actually do like to support my husband?
What my wife does is she'll rub my scalp. So while I'm laying down, she'll come on the side of me and caress my scalp or rub my neck. That gives me permission to be human, to rest. That's what liberated me from that. Because we're getting up, we're working hard really for our wives. We're trying to make sure not only that our home is secure, but your life is stable, that we're doing the best that we can. We're programmed, we're wired that way. But rest is not weakness, it's a restoration of strength. And so, yeah, definitely, I would say using that power, your nurturing, your gift of nurturing, just rubbing our scalps, making us like really stay in that moment. That's what helps us.